Hello people, I'm Deepak back again with yet another video, and this time it's gonna be a special one because I'm standing right inside World Trade Center where the VCCI vintage car showcase is going on, and I'm invited here through the media pass, and I approached VCCI to give me this opportunity, and they gave me this. And the event is hopefully tomorrow on 25th of January, but today is 24th of January, and I'm currently right here, and I'll try to capture each and every car, and let's see how this goes. I'm very excited about this. And to start from, we have a collection of Rolls Royce here. This is Mr. Johan Punawala's Rolls Royce Phantom 2. This car recently just went to Dubai also, and we have his whole Phantom collection here. We can see the names also. We have Phantom 3, Phantom 5, and so on. What a crazy collection, man. And you can see the view also here. We are just at World Trade Center. We have also some other cars as well, but I'll start from the exclusive ones. So here is the Phantom 5 as well, the Phantom 6, and the whole collection. Many photographers are also invited here, and I'm one of them. The latest Phantoms as well. Collection is crazy, dog. And we'll come again here for photographs as well. I'll just take a quick video out of here. And the Wraith as well, the classic Wraiths. This is so beautiful cars, man. One of the most beautiful collections he got, the Rolls Royce collection. Beautiful.
Yes.
We have also some other cars as well. Some more Rolls Royce from old times. You can see how well maintained these cars are. Like, not even a scratch on them. So beautiful they are. Like, a normal person will fall in love as well. And the main thing, we have also some supercars. So I'll just give a quick round of supercars as well. We have Mr. Johan Punawala's Lamborghini Gallardo, his famous 488 Pista as well, and then the California and every car he got, and the classic Cadillac as well. This car is so long, man, so big and huge, so classy. Like, I missed this car so many times while spotting, I can't even tell. And this is so good. Like, watching this car face to face, parked inside a event is so cool, man. We also have some beautiful cars. Basically, this is a classic event car, classic car event, but he also brought his supercars as well. So, it's a good thing for me. Like, you can see the Gallardo. Who says this car is years old? Almost 10 to 12 years old. And it looks so classic, man. Like, I'm not even taking clips of the event. Like, this will be a whole long video. And let me capture myself with the cars as well, because I want to keep it as a memory rather than content. So we have Ferraris, we have Lamborghinis right behind me. This is so cool moment, man. And I want to tell one thing, like, last year I also came here, but I was not a proper content creator at that time. And this time, like, rather than coming on 25th, being in the crowd, not being able to record perfectly, and getting disturbed from many other things, I'm not complaining about it, but still, this year I got this opportunity, and this is all because of you guys who subscribed me. And I got this opportunity. I'm really grateful, and I have lots of gratitude for each and everyone. Let's see what else we can get. This event is getting crazier and crazier. We also have some beautiful Mercedes and the Mustang as well. Let's see. So beautiful Mustang it is. And the hood is being opened of this car. Let's see. Classic engine, man. Today's engineers can't create this kind of beauty. They can only create power, but the beauty was created in old times. And I was not expecting this. McLaren and Evo. Bro, I was not expecting this McLaren to be here, man. Like, the last year this McLaren and this Evo was not here. I was seriously not expecting these cars to be here. And I've never spotted this 750S on roads, but I'm looking at it for the first time, and this Evo looks so great. Like every Lamborghini, it's looking so great from their front end. The headlights look like sharp eyes, man. And unfortunately, I lost the clip of this car. The hood was open and the engine was looking so beautiful. I captured it, I guess. I don't know. Like I was recording for almost 3 to 4 minutes and I lost the clip, and I don't know where the clip ended. So I just starting it all over again. And if you saw the engine of this car, that was classy. And let's see what else we can capture throughout the event. Until here, it is seriously crazy. I was not expecting the 750S over here, and also we can see many supercars behind me, and it's time for some classic as well. Let's see what the other classic we can capture. I already showed you the Rolls Royce there, and let's see what will catch our eyes. We have trucks and we have an Imperial. Ooh. Wow. People now can't have these kind of cars, man. This was a classic era at that time. Yeah, I have spotted this Porsche, and I'm not bragging about it, but this car gave me 15,000 views. It is not that much, but for me it was a great achievement at that time. And we have another car. Beautiful cars, and I also heard there are bikes also, some vintage bikes as well. And they are on the other side behind these cars. So let's get first these cars, then we'll get around others as well. I also want to have some cinematics and also some shots of cars talking about them and information about them. I'll do it, and I'm here. It's currently 11:30 and this event is till 6 p.m. So I have lots of time here. I also brought tiffin box with me because I am not getting out of here until I get each and every car covered, man. We also have some Bentleys and another Rolls Royce here. We have a police car coming. Let me get a sight. People are continuously cleaning their cars because these are not just cars, these are piece of art which they don't want to get damaged. We have another Rolls Royce. I'm just guessing these kind of Rolls Royce were used as taxis in that time for big people. And we have again at the entrance, and I want to show you one of the most classic Rolls Royce, the Phantom. This is again a Phantom variant, the 17X variant. Like other than the Phantoms that we have, this was one of the first of them. I don't know much about this car, but looking at it tells me that this one is the classic one we got. Like at that time, people were fitting such huge engines in the cars, and the cars were so big. Like nowadays, us normal family car will be half of it, even SUVs as well. And we are again at the entrance of the event with the Phantoms of Mr. Poonawala's collection. And I was not able to show you this size because I was busy in the Phantoms. And this is something unique I'm looking at. You can see the logo of the car. I'm just guessing it is a souvenir of some kind of thing. Like, what's the name of it? Minerva. I frankly don't know about this car. And you have seen this car in the Cars movie as well. The uncle in the roots, the village. Like it was exactly the same model of which the man was. And you can also have seen the statue of the guy, like same car in the Cars movie. Some Bentleys. And we have some special people here.
And this both are events, the Christmas and the Rolls Royce.
So please sarakabara, whatever.